Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi, your Silicon Valley real estate broker, and today I happen to be in Newark, California. So these pockets like Newark, Union City, and East Palo Alto, they were not that popular like 10 years ago, but things have changed so dramatically recently because of its proximity to Facebook and all the other major companies in the Bay Area. I want to show you this beautiful single family home, about 1,400 square feet, recently upgraded. You're gonna fall in love with this one. Let's take a tour. As you can see, it's a gorgeous single story property, 3 bedrooms, about 1,400 square feet. I love the kitchen. Open kitchen overlooks dining area and family room with brand new carpet, brand new flooring. And look at this sunroom we have here and the beautiful backyard. Ideal for entertaining family and friends. And just so you know, it's minutes away from Highway 84, so you're not too far away from Facebook and Peninsula, a few miles away from the lake, Newport Mall, schools, and all the good restaurants we have here. Thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a beautiful single-story home, and if you have any questions, reach out to me anytime, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at the open house. Bye-bye.